Everyone knows CMD, but very few people know its hidden powers. Today I will show you 10 secret commands that you can make look like tech pro, fix problems, and even prank your friends. Command number 1, ipconfig. Show your computer IP address. To do that, you have to open CMD, then type ipconfig, hit enter. This will show your subnet IP address and gateway, useful for checking internet and connection issues. Command number 2, ipconfig all. Just simply open CMD, then type this command ipconfig, type this command and all, then hit enter. This will show detailed network info including MAC address and DNS servers. Command number 3, net state. Just simply open CMD then type net state, then hit enter. Now this will show your all display all activity internet connection and the ports that are using good for spotting suspicion connection. If you get this option, now it's mean that this is a real user. If you get this one, it will wait for finding the IP address. Just wait for 1 minute, it will get all the. Now you can see these users are using our Wi-Fi. If you want to see who is using your Wi-Fi, just simply type this command and you will get all the users that you're using your Wi-Fi. Command number 3, color A. Just simply open CMD, then type this command color 0A. This will change CMD text color to green hacker style. You can replace 0A with other combination for different colors. To do that, you have to type color and type all. Let's enter any color you want. Like I will choose color, sorry, color 8. Hit enter and it will change your CMD text command. Command number 5 is tree. Show your folder structure in a cool tree diagram. Just simply open CMD and type tree. This will show your all file in tree style. You can see here it will show you like it's look like a tree or a structure of a tree. Command number 6 is FC scan now. Scan and repair corrupted Windows system file need to run as administrator. Open CMD as administrator. Once it's open, type SFC scan now. Hit enter. This will scan your all Windows corrupted file or damaged file. It will take a minute to scan. Now if you want to scan it now, and I will skip it now. Command number 7 is how to shut down your PC while giving a timer to your PC, then shut down. Just simply open CMD, then type shut down, then dash s, then dash t, then type a timer like 16 means 1 minute or 120 means 2 minutes. Just give a timer and it will shut down your PC in 2 minutes. Okay, the 8th command is CLS. Is your desktop is so messy like this, or typing too much command and it's so messy and ugly? Just simply type CLS. It's so clear and it's parental and it's so professional now. The 9th command is ping google.com. Just simply open CMD and type ping google.com. If you get any response under milliseconds, your connection with this website is max. Now the minimum server ms is 132 and the maxima is 271 and the average is 229. Okay, the last command is check dsk. Just simply open CMD, run as an administrator and hit enter. Okay, once it's open, then type chk, sorry, chkdsk, then hit enter. This will scan your driver. It's having error or it's healthy. Now type this command and it will fix your all damage files. So now you know 10 powerful CMD commands. Which one was your favorite? Comment below, and in the next video I will show you some crazy CMD tricks to prank your friends. If you like the video or enjoy it, just hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you next time. Bye.